Friends, welcome to CAD modeling. First of all, go to front top plane, go to sketch, select circle, draw like this. Select second, third, smart dimension and make it 48 mm. This circle, make it 25 mm. Select this circle, make it 25 mm. Now select this point, select smart dimension again, select this point and this point, make it 60 mm. Select this point and this origin point, make it 30 mm. Select this point and this point, make it 64 mm. Select this point, press Ctrl, select this point, make it horizontal. Okay. Now select circle, draw one here, second here, third circle here. Now select smart dimension, make it 28.58 mm. Select this circle, make it 11 mm diameter. Select this circle, this also 11 mm. Okay. Now select line, select center arc, draw it from here like this. Another one here. No, don't draw this. Select center line, draw it from here. Okay. Now select line, draw it like this. Now select this line and this circle and give it tangent relation. Select this line and this circle, give tangent relation. Select trim entities, trim this. Select smart dimension, select this and make it 19 mm. Now trim it. Select line, draw it like here to center point and make it tangent. Now trim it. Trim this line. Now select mirror entities. Select these lines. Select mirror about this center line. Click OK. Now exit. Now go to extrude boss. Select contours and select these faces and make it 13 mm. Okay. Again go to extrude boss. Now select this sketch. Go to contours. Select this one and make it 48 mm. Okay. Now again go to extrude boss. Select sketch. This time select this both. Make it 16 mm. Okay. Now select right plane. Go to sketch. Okay. Make it normal. Make it from here. Okay. Now select convert entities. Select this edge, this and this edge properly. Okay. Now draw a line from this point to this one. Now select trim entities. Select this line. Okay. Exit sketch. Now select this face. Go to sketch. Convert entities. Select this edge. Click OK. Now make it normal. Select line. Draw a line like this. Draw another line. Okay. Now select smart dimension. Select both these lines. Make it 11 mm. Okay. And this origin point and this line, make it 5.5 mm. Now trim it. we have to keep this arc. Okay, now exit, select this face, go to sketch, now select convert entities, now select this arc. Okay, it will convert on this face. Okay, select this face, go to sketch, make it normal, select line, draw one line, select again, draw another line, select smart dimension, make it 11 mm, select this line, this origin point, make it 5.5 mm, so it will come at center. Okay, now convert entities, this entity. Okay, now trim it, trim it like this. You have to keep middle one. Okay, now exit the sketch. Now go to boundary box command. Here select this profile and in direction 2 select this arc carefully, second arc. Okay, now third arc like this. Okay, our reef is ready. Okay, looking proper. Now go to select command, select this edge, make it here 3 mm, select this edge, this, select this edge, this one also, make it okay. Now again go to fillet command, this time select this one, okay, this one, make it 3 mm, click OK. Now check is ready.